Hi guys, today I have a leaked picture of the 2019 McDonald's Shopkins Cutie Cars Happy Meal toy set that will come out on January 1, 2018. So it looks like this set will contain 6 different toys, and credit to this eBay seller for the picture, that's why I'm leaving their name over here. So these are the 6 cars in 6 different colors, and then inside looks like you'll get some Shopkins, and I do not know if the Shopkins will come in blind bags or not. I know in past Happy Meal toy sets, such as this one, which is Shopkins from 2015/2016, they had blind bags, which was pretty cool, so you didn't know which one you would get. So I'm hoping they do that again because that's really fun. So maybe you'll get the car and some random Shopkins in blind bags, which I think would be pretty cool. Or maybe you just get them like this and you know what you're gonna get. But anyways, the set, there's only like 3 or 4 days left, so we'll see when it comes out. And there's also a leaked picture of the Monster Jam toys, but I'll do that in a separate video. You could also check out 561 more Happy Meal toy videos on my channel, and all of these other Shopkins videos as well. They also had this in 2018, January 2018 as well, so you could check that out as well if you would like. And anyways, thanks for watching for now, and I'll get these toys as soon as they come out.